2002 GMC Yukon 6.0 liter Denali. Really nice truck, really nicely done. Needs a bath, but it's okay, still looks good. Anyways, it's got factory converters there, and these older ones don't come with the third cat. So guess what we did? True dualed it all the way into a FLOWMASTer Super 10, dual in, dual out. Part number 8425154. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then 2 tailpipes out the back on each side, straight out the back, into 4-inch black rolled tips, as you guys can see right there. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And everything, the tips and the muffler will be a link in the description for it. Decibels? Yeah. I always like these body styles. I like everything. You guys hear the cold air intake on it. Whistling, baby. That's why it sounds so good. Tell us what you guys think of the sound. What you guys hear on the inside. GMC Yukon 6.0 liter Denali. Watch that's gonna go. All murdered out.